Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Do you see yourself doing the same old thing, stuck in the rat race, not making enough money, and never finding the time to do the things you love? Or do you see yourself living a life of abundance? Better health, quality time with your family, financial security, time to pursue your passions, and more control over your life. If you want to live this dream life and don't know how to get there, we can help you get started. We are QNET. We're more than just a company. We are a global community of entrepreneurs who come from all walks of life. We offer unique products and services, a cutting-edge online business opportunity, and support your personal development so that you can begin your journey towards a healthier you, a wealthier you, a better you. Our exclusive range of health, wellness, and lifestyle products are designed to help you live your best life. Products you will fall in love with and share with others to spread the goodness around. Our e-commerce business opportunity lets you build your own sales business at your own pace from anywhere in the world. At QNET, your journey is never lonely. Our complete support system ensures you are equipped with the right skills to run a business and grow into a leader. With QNET, you'll have the power to not just transform your life, but also make a difference in the lives of others. You will have the power to give your children a better future, to give your family the lifestyle they deserve. Most importantly, you will have the power to experience freedom on your terms. Freedom to travel, freedom to learn new things, freedom to live your life exactly the way you want to. Are you ready to take charge of your future? Talk to the person who introduced you to QNET.